Welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. Do you want to learn how to make money by simply copying and pasting images? Yes, it's possible. And in this video, we will show you a step-by-step procedure on how you can earn up to $500 to $1,000 by simply searching an image online. Still doubting if it's true? Continue watching until the end to see how easy it is to earn a completely passive income without taking much of your effort and time. Don't worry, because this is accessible all over the world and it's completely free. But before going further into this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Press the notification bell so it will notify you whenever we upload a new video. And lastly, feel free to leave a comment below. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First and foremost, I want you to go to google.com and search for the term cute dogs. Then I want you to click on the images button, which will take you to this page where you can view a variety of pictures of all these cute puppies and dogs, as well as how we may utilize them to make a lot of money online. Second, use teespring.com, which is a completely free platform that allows you to design and sell e-commerce products using artificial intelligence. It's really simple and easy. As previously said, all you have to do is paste the photos into this website, and after importing all of your images and designs, it will simply assist you in printing those designs to various garments, t-shirts, and other products. For example, let's go to apparel. As you can see here, Teespring has a wide range of clothing options. Just like this product here, you may simply upload, copy and paste basic graphics to have them printed on a variety of t-shirts in seconds. Take a look at this t-shirt, which is available for around $20. Not only that, there are a whole lot of different designs on teespring.com, which you can virtually sell by simply copying and pasting. You'll also find a variety of products such as backpacks, leggings, and even phone cases to put your design. The goal of this money-making plan is for teespring.com to readily pre-manufacture and generate all of the t-shirts and other designs you require. Then assist you in shipping to over 180 countries around the world. Not only that, but they can do it with the same day or 2 days delivery, allowing you to start an online store and a design business on teespring.com right away. Isn't it fantastic? That is how it works in general. Now, you must first develop a product by simply using the Teespring launcher and selecting the Stock Designing button. In a moment, I'll show you how to use your phone or computer to start designing different t-shirts by uploading, copying, and pasting various images. So keep on watching and don't miss out. On teespring.com, you may design and create a variety of items. After that is completed, we'll proceed to the next phase, which is increasing sales. You have the option of either utilizing their current network or linking via tool or collaboration to increase your sales. It's actually rather easy. And now, it's up and running! As a result, Teespring will be able to assist you with manufacturing, transporting, and delivering all orders. They also have a great and competent team of customer service that will help you with your orders. All you have to do now is go back to teespring.com's homepage and click this button up to start designing, which then will take you to this page where you can sign up for the world's most popular creator platform. All you have to do is fill out a few simple details such as your name or brand name, email address, and password, then click the sign up button. After you've completed your profile and created an account, you'll be sent to this page where you may select from a variety of categories or hot items, as well as trends in various areas such as digital apparel and accessories, which include joggers, face masks, and so on. If you don't like any of these categories, you may simply scroll down and look at the variety of themes, goods, and other items that you can create as shown. To get started, we need to upload an image of our t-shirt. As you can see, there is a central section where we need to copy and paste an image onto the t-shirt to modify our design. Before we go any further, I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe to this channel and give it a big thumbs up if you liked the video so far. If you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. So, What you'll do now is go back to Google and search for cute emojis, which is what I demonstrated at the start of the video, and we'll choose from one of these images. I used dogs as an example because there are many dog lovers all across the world and wish to buy a designed t-shirt showing a cute dog or puppy on top. So once we've chosen the dog image, we can either save it to our computer, take a screenshot, or save it to your phone. All we have to do now is click this button to upload a photo, choose the image that we will be using, then there's our selected design. So once you've successfully uploaded your image, it will appear on the t-shirt as seen over here. You may drag and drop the images to any position you choose at this time. They may even be dragged to make them larger. So I'm making it a little bit bigger at the moment so that it fits within the box in the middle, and I'm putting it slightly in the center at the bottom where you can alter their size as necessary. The next step is to pick a color for your product. For our t-shirt, we'll go with white. Then scroll all the way down at the bottom of the page to set a price for your item. Teespring will suggest $26.99 by default, and you may earn 11% profit on each sale. What's fantastic about Teespring is how quiet and easy it is for anybody to use, since Teespring will help you market and sell your items. Once you're happy with your design, go to the bottom of the page and click Continue. Your t-shirt will then be ready to purchase immediately on teespring.com. Now I'm going to show you how to market on Facebook in order to get hundreds of sales. Search for the phrase dog lover in Facebook and choose groups under the filter section by default. Click on groups, then click the button here to join these public groups, which will help you filter all of the results for group of dog lovers that are open to the public. If I click on this group right here, it will take me to this page where I can see a lot of dog owners or lovers from all around the world. They're showing a variety of photos and videos related to dogs, so if you can just put up a simple design right here on the scoop, you'll be able to generate a lot of organic sales without having to communicate with anyone. It will be extremely targeted traffic since everyone who joins the group is a dog lover, and by posting your design, people will then begin to share your post and voila! You'll be able to generate a lot of money just by doing so. And that's it! We hope you like it! So what do you think about these websites? Is it an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace our jobs in the future as our primary source of income? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. If you like similar content like this, feel free to take a look at our other videos. Join us again in Millionaire Mindset for another round of tips on how to get your financial freedom. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.